The modern day solutions we have for storing data in cloud is pretty inefficient. Not only are these data centers nowhere as green as they claim, but they also store our data in some external data centers which we would have to pay to access our own files. Sure, they'll give us a few gigabytes of free space to get us started, but clearly when that runs out, you will have to either delete your old files, which completely defeats the purpose, or you'll have to pay to access your own data. A company called Cubbit is trying to give you a better solution by building a private cloud server which acts as a hive network. So if a bunch of you have these devices, they can communicate with one another and share storage to keep all of your files secure. So this way you don't have to trade your privacy for storing data online. The files that you store in Cubbit are first encrypted with a military-grade encryption, then they are split into chunks and then distributed across the network. And just like with many password managers and stuff that we have seen, they have a zero-knowledge architecture, which basically means that they don't have any information about the files that you store. And though the Cubbit cell comes with plenty of storage for you, you can even expand it with an external hard drive or something that you have lying around up to 4 terabytes. That's a very nice way of recycling some external drives that you might have lying around in your home. It even has some cool features where you don't have to do all the work yourself. Like if you have a large file to upload, once you queue it into this Cubbit for upload, it can handle it on its own while you do other tasks. And since all of us own it in our own homes, it doesn't consume nearly as much power as a data center would, so it's a green, free solution which you don't have to pay down the line. Buy it once and expand it with your own storage based on your requirement, and it communicates with other Cubbit cells, similar to something like an Apple AirTag which would communicate with other Apple devices for their location. The Cubbit cells can build a large secure cloud by communicating with one another, forming a large hive network. So with Cubbit, you can be a part of a private high-speed cloud thanks to their multiple peer-to-peer connections, and since you own your own storage, it will be free forever. Meaning that you can arrange for your own storage without having to pay Cubbit any subscriptions. Moreover, you can open up to 4 accounts on a single Cubbit cell, so it'll be good enough for an entire family. If you'd like to learn more details about this project, I'll leave a link to their website in the description, you can check it out, but I think it's really cool. I think this would be the internet that everyone would like to live in, where we don't have to sacrifice our privacy in exchange for having some storage space for our data. Let me know what you think about this Cubbit cell in the comment section below. Are you okay with the present way of operating on the internet, or are you a believer in privacy? Leave your thoughts down there and I'll see you soon. Cheers!